When you are ready to install the software, come to the cloud homepage, navigate to the installer section and just locate the software that you want to install. Next to each software, we have the Windows and Mac equivalent, as well as the release notes of each of the latest versions available here. If you are looking to capture live using Focus, you will need to install both Focus as well as Focus Server. So just bear that in mind. When you're ready to download your installer, just click on the link and that will drop into your downloads folder. When you've got your installer downloaded, all you need to do here is just double click on it. Double click on the package and run through the installer. Read through the end user license agreement. Once the installation is successful, hit close. You can close down that window there, navigate to Launchpad and locate the Focus software. When Focus opens, you should be prompted to log in. Use your email and the password that you set when activating your SPG cloud account. This username and password will be used across all your Pro Video products. When you're happy, press login. You'll have a summary around when your subscription is valid for. You'll also get a message stating that you must log in again within the next 7 days for continued use of the product. If you hit show more, you'll get some more information around who you're logged in as and the organization.